This section of the test is asking you to interpret graphics or look at graphs and see what they're saying. For questions 39 and 40, you're using this chart here where it says deadly April tornadoes by state from 1950 to 2011. Notice the states are on the bottom and the number of fatal tornadoes is going up and down. For question 39, it's asking, as a storm chaser, which of the following locations would you be least likely to work in? A, Kentucky, B, Louisiana, C, Tennessee, or D, Oklahoma? Question 40 says, what is the difference in fatal tornadoes between Tennessee and Missouri? A, 28, B, 60, C, 45, or D, 24? For questions 41 and 42, use this graph here where it says tornadoes by month in Illinois. Notice on the x-axis you have your months, and on the y-axis you have the number of tornadoes. Question 41 asks, if you had to pick a tornado season based on this graph, it would be A, spring, B, spring and summer, C, winter and spring, or D, summer and fall. Question 42, based on the graph, one could reasonably infer or guess that A, tornadoes are relatively uncommon in Illinois. B, the tornadoes in April and May were EF3s and 4s. C, each of these tornadoes caused fatalities or deaths. Or D, tornadoes are a significant weather event in Illinois. For questions 43 and 44, use this graph where it talks about hurricanes and tropical storms making landfall in Florida and passing within 100 miles of Gainesville by decade from 1871 to the present. Question 43, using the information provided with the graph, we can infer or guess that Gainesville is in which state? A, Louisiana, B, Florida, C, South Carolina, or D, Mississippi? Question 44, which of the following years had more tropical storms make landfall? 1871 to 80, 1890 to 1900, 1901 to 1910, or 1981 to 1990?